Alright, so YouTube, this is me again, SSL Alejandro. We're going to show you how to get out of the map. For my friend, Toxic Beast, or I call him Search.
What?
Yeah, he's going to be the one demonstrating you how to get out of the map on Zombies 5. Redneck motherfuckers.
Redneck motherfuckers.
How do you say it? Like,
Redneck
motherfuckers. And I got my Turtle Beach. You see me? See? Right here. Creepy button so yeah. I'm gonna fix it.
Alright. The first thing you do is make sure you break the bottom right corner.
Right there.
You rebuild it and then just break the entire thing. Remember, host cannot do this.
Yeah, you heard him.
So the first thing you do is buy a gun and move stand the unforeseen. And I'll be getting out of the map in this one. And Alejandro.
What? Alright, then what?
My mic will be dying soon, so when you can't hear me anymore, it dies.
Alright, and now.
Oh, I died.
Really?
Oh no, I'm in.
Oh, you are?
Got me.
Yeah. Alright, so he's in. See? So he just got up on this board, on the bottom board.
I can't.
He went up there?
YouTube, don't ever try this one because you can't really do anything over here. You're just trapped in a little box.
Yeah, watch. I'm gonna show him. I'm there, right?
Right.
I'm done with this zombie. I'm gonna still hide that faster. That doesn't look so funny. You redneck motherfuckers.
Alright. Boom 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 boom. It's God. It's God already.
Alright.
I don't know. Alright, you can't really do anything once you're over here. You can break the windows.
Wow.
Oh yeah, and then you can kill the zombies from over here, like using the camp right here. And then
Can they kill you?
they're just like, they can if you just like get in their way. I know you guys think that you can get over here, but you can't. There's like somehow an invisible wall right here.
Can you kill them? Yeah.
And then the only thing you can really do is kill yourself. Or just camp them like at the corner. And then kill them while they're going through the window. Other than that, you can't do nothing.
Can't do shit.
Can't do squat jack.
Alright, just kill somebody.
Alright,
Where is
I
he?
can't. I don't know where they're at. What a fail.
Come on, redneck motherfucker.
Who the hell is he?
Throw a grenade. Oh, you don't have any, huh?
Oh my god. Alright.
Yeah,
So
that's the worst
now
one
the
that's
only
due.
way. Yep. I regret showing you guys this. Because this is the worst one you can do.
Yeah, that's the worst window.
So, right now, my friend Alejandro will be ending the game because we can't really do anything and I don't have any more grenades. So, we will just be ending it and then doing it all over again.
So yeah, don't ever try that one because it's like bullshit.
Alejandro.
What?
So I will be getting in the match, right? Getting out of the map.
Alright.
You see?
So yeah, he's gonna get on the map again. On another one though, which is better. Because you can go like explore better. You can go on top of the roof of 5, right?
Yup.
And yeah, it's bigger, yeah. And there's also like an invisible wall where the zombies can't get you.
Alright. So the first thing I will get is the Olympia. I'm a fan of the Olympia. If anyone's out there, Olympia is awesome. Alright, the first thing we have to do is wait for a zombie to come over here. And if the zombie can't come over here, then the zombie can come over here. So the first thing you do is you jump on this little rock, little barrier, and then you wait for the zombie to touch the rail. Alright, so
Show him.
Alejandro, kill yourself.
Alright. Yeah, but they didn't even see how you did it.
Yeah, I told them. I said you get the.
But they like I wasn't looking at the where you were, cause. No.
Okay. Alright, so you can get out this one, that one, or that one, but remember that one over there really sucks.
Yeah. It's like, you know. So now I'm move again to die faster. Nice, this one.
Take out my Olympia.
Alright.
So my friend has now just killed himself to see what I'm doing. So right now you can like, if zombies, if you're over here, if you guys ever find out how to get over here, like figure out, if the zombie like will come over here. Come on! Oh wait. Hey you. I'm talking to you. Alright, you have to come over here. And then there's like an invisible wall all the way over here, like
He's gonna go back.
there, right there. And then the zombies are gonna be moving right there. So if you're ever like getting trapped, you just run and jump over here. And then they won't be able to get you. And then this next glitch that I will be showing you guys is how to get up on the roof, I think. Not up there though, but over there.
Yeah.
On top of here.
Okay,
So the first step to getting out is, getting up there, is you're supposed to run and jump on this and on this. So
don't die.
yeah, you duck and die, pretty much. And then so remember, run and jump on this, and then you get up here, and then go to the clock that says Tokyo. Sorry.
No,
and then so you like don't press anything on your feet, just walk to like the right, and then it'll just lift you up here. It's failing. And then once you see Hanoi, you jump up, and then you guys may think this is a wall, but it's not. You run and jump through here, and then you're over here.
So yeah, you can't fall.
You can never fall once you're up here. And if a zombie somehow if a zombie ends up right here, like they're all right here, if you go like into this circle, you can be able to kill them.
You have to open the door, right?
I wish, yeah, you have to open the door. So that's pretty much it. Thank you too. And then if you ever figure out how to try this, then free.
Yeah.
And then pretty much it.
Happy birthday.
Oh yeah, and then it's my friend Alejandro's birthday, the one that's doing the video. Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then so just one more time. Go up here, go on Tokyo, boom.
They're not seeing you, cause.
Did it stop?
No, wait up.
Look at this zombie. Come on, trying to get me.
Alright, so
come on,
that's it.
Nope.
Right?
Yeah, and then let me just show him something one more time.
Here, because my friends invited me. He was like, wants to say something, so.
Alright, so go. If you're playing. So, tell me when it's playing.
And it's what?
Tell me when the camera's rolling.
It is.
Oh. Alright. So the next thing you do is like a zombie comes over here, go over through here, you jump, and then the zombie will have to come over here. And then you be like, oh, once you get through the door, come over here. Oops. And then like there are doors that you can just walk through, like this one. Ah, they don't need a duck and that, I need a duck and that.
Alright, so yeah,
So
that's
that's
it.
pretty much it out of the glitch. Please subscribe and bye. Have a good day or night.